We are going to spice up this low ponytail because this is not a regular ponytail, I'm telling you. So hey loves, welcome back again to another video. My name is Yanatungo. If it's your first time here, you're most welcome. If not, welcome back. So I'm starting off with a clean hair, and I did washed my hair the previous night. So this is the following day, and that is why my hair is looking this stretch out. And mind you, we are not going to use no heat, so you don't have to worry about using heat onto your hair, because you can style it without necessarily have to use heat and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to start off just by partitioning my hair. So you're going to have like a side part, okay, just like you guys can see in the video. And then once I've parted my hair, I'll take my hair tie and I'm going to use it to secure the hair, and then I'm going to work with the other side. Okay, to mold my hair into place, I'll be using this gel. It's called Miss Sunshine. Okay, so I'm going to apply it onto the roots of the hair, and I'm not using too much gel, just a little bit, just to slick down the roots of the hair. And then after that, I'll just go ahead and take my bristle brush. I'm going to use it to smoothen in the gel, just like you guys can see in the video. And then after which, I'll just start doing the flat twist. Okay, so on to the actual twisting. What I'm doing, I'm just taking two strands of my natural hair and I'm looping them together, just like you guys can see in the video. So you just take one strand of your natural hair, you loop it onto the other strand. I don't know if I'm making sense, but I'm hoping that you guys are going to see and understand exactly what I'm doing. But you can do the same hairstyle. If you don't know how to do flat twist, you can resort to doing contour. Okay, so I'm just looping my natural hair onto each other. Okay, so I'm going to let this video play, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to follow along and understand exactly what I'm doing. And again, if you've watched this video till here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe, stick around for this and amazing more hair tutorials. Another important thing that I forgot to mention is that when twisting the hair, be sure to hold as much hair as possible, because you don't want to have so many flyaways.
Lit up like a sunrise glow, touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Just to mention, you really don't have to twist this hair all the way through, so you'll see me unraveling the hair. You can just twist towards the middle part, and that is just about it. Okay, so you'll see me unraveling the hair, and just continue watching, and you'll see exactly what I mean. It will make my work easier when it comes to putting the hair together into a ponytail, so you really don't have to twist all the way down. So I went ahead and slicked my hair using my Sofnfree Gel, which is almost finishing. Okay, so after that, I'll just go ahead and unravel the hair, just like I told you. Like, you just have to like a twist towards the middle, and that is just about it. Okay, so after that, I'll take my bristle brush just to brush to smoothen in my hair into place. And then with my hair tie, I'm going to use it to tie my hair. And then after I'm done with that, I'll just take my scarf and I'm going to use it to wrap my hair. So that is where all this magic comes in. You need to wrap your hair for about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on how much time you have for your hair to sit into place and for it to be like a laid down. Don't forget to wrap your hair, because this is where all the magic happens. As you guys can see, my hair is looking nice and laid down. Okay, so I'm going to use this extension which I made from Brazilian wool. Okay, so right about now, I'm just attaching it on to my natural hair band, just like so. And then afterwards, I'm going to flip it over, then take a smaller piece of this extension, and I'm going to use it to wrap the hair, because you want extension to sit and to be nice and secured and all that. So guys, this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for giving me company. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.